K's front porch. Serving a 3.5-year sentence for obstruction of Congress. Democrats are calling the commutation an abuse of presidential powers. The U.S. approaching nearly 70,000 new coronavirus cases every day. States like Texas seeing a huge spike of infections.
Texas set a new record high for hospitalizations and for a single-day increase in COVID-19 cases, with more than 10,300 new cases reported since yesterday. The daily number of fatalities on average in the U.S. is still significantly lower than its peak this year, but for the first time in weeks, we're now seeing an uptick in daily deaths. Today, Louisiana's governor announced face coverings will be mandated for most people 8 years and older in that state. There's been 69 deaths in Arizona since yesterday, pushing the overall count to 2,151.
Fox's Christina Coleman. The most magical place on earth is open again in Orlando. The reopening of Disney World's Magic Kingdom and Animal Kingdom today comes 4 months after they were closed because of the pandemic. Epcot and Disney's Hollywood Studios will follow 4 days later. America is listening at Fox News.
There's never been a more critical time. Fox News Media is bringing America together. America is watching news and fearless debate on Fox News Channel. We're invested in you from Wall Street to Main Street to your street with Fox Business. America is listening wherever you are, on radio and podcast. Trending the stories you need anytime you want online. And Fox Nation, bringing the entertainment that celebrates America. Fox News Media, America's news, and much more. From the Fox News Podcast Network, hello Perino and Direwolf. I'll tell you what.
I noticed that the Democrats were very critical of the government, and fine, okay, whatever, but their solutions were more government. But government is not working at all. And look, I understand that the state unemployment systems got overwhelmed, but 36 million people who have filed for unemployment, 16 million of them have yet to see a dime.
It's amazing. Subscribe and listen now by going to foxnewspodcast.com. America's listening to Fox News.
Former Vice President and presumptive Democratic nominee Joe Biden says he'll define his presidency with a sweeping economic plan. But some say it sounds a little familiar.
President Trump has been pushing.
Okay, world.
Problems, whether it's in DirecTV, Dish, Xfinity, Spectrum, Cox, Optimum, you form this line. Shall pal, hope you're doing. Now it just feels like it's wearing stressed people. Portions of the